Hey everybody, it's Ed Connerke. Welcome back to Connerke's Money Corner. Several months ago I did a video on Connerke's Money Corner that surprised a lot of people but educated them about what was happening on their credit reports due to what's called the credit utilization ratio. I had a lot of people pull me aside and say that was very informative. So because of that theme, I want to share another one to you that you'll be surprised about. Do you realize that the four main credit reporting agencies that are out there, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and Innovis, are the four major national credit reporting agencies out there, that they are given the right to share your personal data with creditors and insurance companies, to give them the ability to send you pre-approved or pre-screened offers. In this day of data and the secrecy of your data, and we've just experienced this with Facebook, more people are more worried about their data being released, and this is an area that people don't know about that's happening. I'm here to inform you that it's happening and there's a way to stop it and opt out of it. So these pre-screened and pre-approved offers for credit and insurance from banks, mortgage companies, credit card companies, insurers are able to happen. There is a governmental rule called the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and the Fair Credit Reporting Act allows these four credit reporting agencies to release your personal data to those creditors and those insurance providers to solicit you for this. Now, it's obviously thought to be a good thing so that you have many options to have people give you different options to either get your insurance or to borrow money. But what we're finding out, a lot of people are very surprised that their personal data is being released. In fact, your names, your credit worthiness, your address, your phone numbers, and even emails are released to other companies to solicit you. Now, we see this a lot in the mortgage industry, because when you come to me to get a mortgage, obviously one of the things we have to do is pull a credit report. And when we pull a credit report from those three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, they are able to then take that information that we've pulled your credit and we're a mortgage company, and then sell that to other mortgage companies that are out there saying, hey, we want to let you know that Mr. and Mrs. Smith applied with Cherry Creek Mortgage and Ed Connerke to get a mortgage. You may want to call them and solicit them. Here's their information. How does that make you feel? So what we're recommending you do, if you don't want to have these pre-approved and pre-screened offers and your data being released by these credit agencies, is that you take advantage of another rule that Fair Credit allows you, the Fair Credit Reporting Act law allows you, and that is you can opt out of this happening. The website that I'll share with you is www.optoutprescreen.com, and I'll share that link with you. If you go to this website, you're able to opt out online for 5 years, and in typical government fashion, you can opt out permanently, but it has to be done through the mail. Go figure. Just to make it more difficult, more red tape. But anyways, you have the option to do it permanently or for 5 years. I recommend you do it permanently. Personally, my wife and I did this many years ago, and we saw the junk mail, the credit card offers, all that came into our mailbox drop tremendously. So something for you to know that's happening that I bet you're not aware of, and you may even be shocked when you hear it, that these credit agencies are out there releasing your personal information and your data. And like I said, after what we've seen with all the data breaches and the data scares, one less thing that I believe should be shared out there of your information. Well, the good thing is you can opt out of it. So head over to optoutprescreen.com so this will stop and it will no longer happen on your behalf. I hope you enjoyed this Connerke's Corner and found it informative like the other ones. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, thank you again for watching Connerke's Money Corner.